Over 1,000 square meter of the pavilion, which looks like a bazaar a little bit. Even maybe doesn't look that impressive because it's just like this one. It's actually very, very, very difficult, and there was the big process of making it. They are still there, some. Oh, they're still cleaning here. Just trying. There's some competition. Clients already brought them stuff. Thousands of meters of the, oh maybe not thousands, hundreds of meters of the graphic. This is all lighting up, but the electricity is off already. And so on. Every single corner. This is client from India. So it's about 140 clients from India came to exhibit. This is the CL, by the way, in Paris. And also on the other side you have other stands from all around the world. Just gonna show you also the Turkish pavilion, like this one, and Moroccan one, and Indian. I used to work long time for that.
Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Today I just walk next to our apartment in a Sowaj area. And when I was walking, actually met some strange people, looking at me up and down. And I smile at them. They smile at me back. So what I see is that people maybe stare at you, looking at you, but when you smile, they will smile you back. So I remember that long time ago people saying to me, Polish people, they are not friendly. They are not smiling all the time like me, greeting a big smile. They are not like that. But once again, when you greet them, they will greet you back. So yeah, I'm just sharing to you this one because I remember that when Damian used to live in Bali, his friends, Damian only have one Polish friend who is living in Bali permanently. He actually married with one lady from Surabaya. That's it. Other than that, he doesn't have any friends that he can talk and he can share her thought. Just like like me, wherever I go, I've got many friends so far. Like last time I've got a problem regarding to my paperwork in Uzon. I asked my friend, and then most of them are helpful. Actually, Polish people, they are helpful so far based on my experience. Look at this park, how clean it is, and the color of the leaves, gold. This one is a golden Asian or golden autumn. Many family coming here. It's nice. And one thing that I learned is that Polish people, they are not like smiling with a big teeth or talk bullshit like good morning darling, how are you doing? No, they are straightforward, not talk bullshit. For me, we're in Bali, whenever we meet people, we are greeting like, oh, good morning, how are you? Like talking bullshit all the time. But the thing here is just like everything straightforward, no matter what. So if you see my husband Damian, if I ask him to take a picture, kok hanya smile, he will be just like Polish smile. And then big thief, it really takes me lots of time to ask him to have a big thief smile, and I feel like I'm torturing him if I ask him showing a big thief smile. But deep inside, they are such a lovely people. And one thing, they are not rude, they are just the way how it is. I remember that once when Damian and I walking on the beach in Bali, and I asked Damian, kok hanya greet? So if you see Damian doesn't have a big teeth smile like me, it doesn't mean he's rude to you. He's just like how it is. Since I live here in Poland, I understand, you know, Polish people, they smile in their heart, not showing like a big teeth. Sometimes what I understand that if you showing a big teeth, they thinking that you have a fake smile or something like that. So this is how it is. But you know, somehow in some places, if you understand their joke, they're joking a lot. Like my friend, we sometimes laugh until I got the stomach ache. It's just like, you know, when we know how it is, we know that they're really funny actually. I didn't understand why during autumn they cut down the trees like this and like this. Maybe if you are Polish, you can explain to me to answer this question. I keep walking, and that's in front of me is the Petit Paris. Nice coffee shop, but seems like busy. Maybe I'll just go there. So I keep walking, and that's in front of me is the Park Swatchki. During autumn, it's very nice to walk in the park. I keep walking to the park. This is my daily afternoon walk. Oh, nice coffee shop. People are queuing in a bike shop. Ah, look at this. My favorite park. Oh, nice. Leaves are falling, changing color. Legs. It's so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this one. So pretty. For me, it's pretty. It's like, you know, the color of the leaves, just like a gold. Well, I'm making this video, you know, I just want to share to you about when we used to live in Bali. You know, since the beginning, I have relationship with Damian. I've got so many stereotypes about Polish. Maybe because of in Bali, close to Australia, you know, even for the European who come to Bali, mostly they are coming from Germany, Netherlands, or any Western. And my friend also, mostly if they are married with Westerners or foreigners, they are married with Australian or Western, European, something like that. And even I'm the one in my circle of friends, I'm the only one who married with Polish. I remember that the first time I explained to my friend that I'm dating a Polish, and I remember that one of my best friend even saying to me, huh? What do you expect? Maybe, you know, they are not rich. Why you are dating a person from Poland? Finally, you know, married, and then we keep together until now. When I live in Poland, I experience, I see, I observed. It's totally different than what people said about Poland in general and about Polish people. That's the thing. Even I remember the first time I introduced Damian to my family, and you know, my family thought that Damian is coming from Netherlands or Germany or general, like, you know, Western European. And I said, Poland. Where is Poland? You know, when I explained that, you know, Robert Lewandowski. Yeah, that's his brother. So thanks to Robert Lewandowski, it's actually, you know, whenever you come to Bali, Indonesia, especially, you know, when you talk about Robert Lewandowski, everybody knows. But when, you know, you talk about the country, people will be like, where is it on the map? This is the facts that, you know, I found it like my daily things. I never share it to you because probably I don't want to talk about it. But now, since I live in Poland, I experience it, I'll share it to you. The things that I keep it always in my mind, in my heart for 10 years. Now I release it. So what I can share to you guys, Poland is beautiful country with a beautiful green landscape, nice, friendly people. If you already know them, it's amazing country to live in. You see, there's so many people with family here, so it means it's a great country with a family. Look at this beautiful view. That's the warszawa, the lake. Simply, they are not rude, they just cannot handle with slowness. Everything must be fast here. Even if you go to the Zapka or any supermarket, the simple police thing that you have to understand is about Cisco, Plikacha, Kartong, Gotuvko, that's it. Not about good morning, what can I do for you, or blah 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 and blah blah. They very fast. Like my husband, I understand that why I don't speak Polish very well. Even I'm married with Damian for about 10 years, because Damian only speak English to me. It doesn't mean like he doesn't want me to learn. He just cannot handle if I speak very slow. If you realize that Damian speak very fast, faster than me. So this is how it is. Everything has to go fast and fast. Walk fast, talk fast, think fast. So that's the thing. I like to capture actually, like the golden trees like this, the tram. It's nice. Maybe for those of you it's like a boring thing, but for me it's nice because it's not happening in my home country. So that is the warszawa in the front, and here is nice coffee shop. Maybe I will go here to buy coffee. Let's see. Look at this, so many nice cake. I have my hot cappuccino and sernik. I paid about 31 zloty, and here it is outside. I decided to sit outside because it's warm currently, and yes, that's the place like this. Oh my god, I have a coffee, nice coffee and nice cake. And also I called Damian, and I just didn't realize, like I've got a phone call with him for about 2 hours, because he currently on the way from France, from Paris, to go to Düsseldorf again, Germany. So there will be another project, big project in Düsseldorf. So he said it's about 5 hours drive, and he stopped in Belgium. So yes, we've got a phone call. It's already evening, already sunset, and I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for listening, and this is how actually what I feel, what I think, and so far I'm sharing to you. And during living in Bali, I didn't talk about this because we think that I just keep it for us. But now, because we are living in Poland and I experience this is totally different than what people told me, so yeah, I'm sharing to you. I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.